Now, we are learning more about topic sentence. Let's review what we learned about topic sentence in lesson 4. Lesson 4, we learned this type of topic sentence. We move the object to the very beginning of the sentence and use the object to be a topic. After the topic, we tell something about the topic. For example, 我喜欢蛋糕。蛋糕，我喜欢。I tell you something about the topic. This is one type of topic sentence. And now we learn another type of topic sentence. We use verb phrase to be a topic. For example, 坐捷运。I tell you something about 坐捷运, this thing. Oh, 坐捷运 is 很方便. I tell you something about 坐捷运. This example, 踢足球，我们都很喜欢。This topic sentence from 我们都很喜欢踢足球. And we move 踢足球 to the very beginning of the sentence to be a topic. 踢足球，我们都很喜欢。So in Chinese, you can have the concept about Chinese verb phrase. We can use verb phrase like English noun phrase. 坐捷运很方便。踢足球我们都很喜欢。走路去太慢了。走路去太慢了。Here, the verb phrase is 走路去。走路来去。Do you remember this? Do you remember? We can add 来去 to give the reader, the listener, the concept of direction. For example, the speakers here at position 1, and they say 走路去 position 2. Away from the speaker, we use 去. Remember this? So 走路去 this thing. I think it is 太慢了。太 stative verb 了 to emphasize the degree of stative verb. 唱歌、跳舞都很有趣。唱歌、跳舞都很有趣。唱歌、跳舞 these two actions both are very interested 很有趣。In this sentence, the topic 唱歌、跳舞。Two actions. 跑步、游泳、打网球，我都喜欢。跑步、游泳、打网球，我都喜欢。This sentence is from 我喜欢跑步、游泳、打网球。And we move the object to the very beginning of the sentence. If the object more than one, 1, 2, 3, more than one, we need add do before the verb. Do you remember this? Okay, see you. Bye.